Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are more than 20 stocks including Mazda, Kitex Garments, Rama Phosphates etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Mazda Limited, Mazda, share is trading around rupees 1839. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 28th January 2025. Kitex Garments Limited, Kitex, current market price rupees 688. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Kitex Garments, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 300 shares. Ex date and record date for the bonus is fixed as 17th January 2025. Kothari Products Limited, Kothari Pro, share is trading around rupees 184. Company announced bonus in the ratio 1:1. Record date for the bonus is yet to be announced by Kothari Products. Mayuk Deal Trade Limited, current market price rupees 2.35. This penny stock announced a bonus in the ratio 3:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Mayuk Deal Trade, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 800 shares. Ex date and record date is fixed as 17th January 2025. Tanla Platform Limited, Tanla, share is trading around rupees 702. Tanla Platform announced a board meeting on 21st January 2025 to declare dividend and to announce Q3. Arun Jyoti Bio Ventures Limited, share is trading around rupees 190. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of Arun Jyoti Bio Ventures, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 17th January 2025. Rama Phosphates Limited, Rama 4, current market price rupees 241. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is yet to be announced by Rama Phosphates. Pradhin Limited, current market price rupees 29. Company announced a board meeting on 17th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is splitting the stock, dividend and bonus. Shriram Finance Limited, Shriram Fin, current market price rupees 2899. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 10th January 2025. IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited, IOLCP, share is trading around rupees 428. This company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. If you have 100 shares of IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by IOL Chemicals. TT Limited, current market price rupees 149. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by TT. RDB Infrastructure and Power Limited, current market price rupees 498. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by RDB Infrastructure. Regis Industries Limited, current market price rupees 137. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Ex date and record date is fixed as 16th January 2025. Nava Limited, Nava, share is trading around rupees 940. This company also announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex date and record date is fixed as 20th January 2025. Shardul Securities Limited, current market price rupees 423. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex date and record date is fixed as 13th January 2025. Jai Balaji Industries Limited, Jai Balaji, share is trading around rupees 836. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex date and record date is fixed as 17th January 2025. IPOs. Saat Qatar Shopping Limited IPO. Face value rupees 10 per share. Price band rupees 77 to 81. Lot size 1600 shares. IPO opens on 10th January and closes on 14th January 2025. Base of allotment 15th January, initiation of funds 16th January, credit of shares to demat account 16th January, listing date 17th January. Shareholding pre-issue 86.06 and shareholding post-issue 63.25%. Saad Qatar Shopping Limited. Incorporated in June 2012, Saad Qatar Shopping Limited is an Ayurveda healthcare company focused on delivering natural wellness solutions for therapeutic and lifestyle products promoting a healthier lifestyle. The company offers holistic natural remedies and lifestyle products based on traditional Ayurveda practices, serving individual consumers directly. It sells products through its own website, third-party e-commerce platforms, television marketing, and Google and Meta applications. Products. Specific problem-led niche therapeutic areas. The company targets specializing fields within the medical and healthcare domain that focus on addressing specific health issues or challenges such as addiction, personal care, wellness, and other products are addiction killer, live, Mustang, etc. Lifestyle-led curative areas. The company also targets specialized fields within healthcare and medicine that focus on addressing health issues related to individual lifestyles such as diabetes, joint pain relief, piles, and other health concerns. This is the balance sheet of Saad Qatar Shopping Limited for the last 3 years. All the amounts are in lakhs. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe.